If you've ever wanted to learn drums but didn't want the noise, space, or cost of a full acoustic kit, an electronic drum set might be the perfect solution. Today we're reviewing the Alesis Nitro Max Kit, a compact electric drum kit designed for beginners and home players. It comes with quiet mesh pads, a dual-zone snare, Bluetooth connectivity, over 400 built-in sounds, and even access to learning tools like Drumeo. But is this actually the best budget electronic drum kit in 2026? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Alesis Nitro Max Kit has a clean and compact design that's perfect for small rooms, apartments, or home studios. The rack is sturdy enough for regular practice sessions, and the overall build feels solid for its price range. The mesh drum heads are a big upgrade compared to rubber pads. They feel more realistic and are much quieter, which is great if you're practicing at home without disturbing others. The compact layout also makes it beginner-friendly, allowing new drummers to get comfortable quickly. One of the standout features here is the 10-inch dual-zone snare, which allows for different sounds depending on where you hit, just like an acoustic snare. This adds a level of realism that's often missing in budget kits. The mesh pads across the kit provide a responsive and natural playing feel. They also reduce noise significantly, making this kit ideal for late-night practice sessions or shared living spaces. Overall, the playing experience is smooth and enjoyable, especially for beginners and intermediate players. When it comes to sound, the Nitro Max Kit really shines in its category. It includes 440 plus BFD, big fat drum, sounds, which are known for their realism and quality. You get a wide range of drum kits and percussion sounds, allowing you to experiment with different styles, from rock and pop to jazz and electronic music. The sound module is easy to navigate, so switching between kits or customizing your setup doesn't feel complicated. Another big advantage of this kit is Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your phone or tablet and play along with your favorite songs, which makes practice more fun and engaging. It also includes USB MIDI support, so you can connect it to your computer and use it with music production software or virtual instruments. This makes it a great option not just for practice, but also for recording and creating music. For beginners, the inclusion of Drumeo access is a huge bonus. Drumeo is one of the most popular online drum learning platforms, offering structured lessons, tutorials, and practice routines. This makes the Nitro Max Kit more than just an instrument, it becomes a complete learning system. If you're starting from scratch, this feature can significantly speed up your progress. The kit comes with a kick pedal, which adds to the realistic drumming experience. While it may not feel exactly like a high-end acoustic setup, it does the job well for beginners and casual players. All the hardware is easy to assemble, and once set up, the kit feels stable during use. It's designed to be beginner-friendly from start to finish. Overall, the Alesis Nitro Max Kit is one of the best beginner-friendly electronic drum kits available right now. It combines realistic playing feel, great sound quality, and modern features like Bluetooth and learning integration, all at a budget-friendly price. If you're just starting out or want a quiet drum kit for home practice, this is definitely a solid choice. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you learning drums or upgrading your current kit?